from your weather authority, Chief Meteorologist Wayne Hart.
Well, August usually is the driest month of the year here in Evansville, so no surprise we are in the midst of our longest dry spell since late December and early January, officially 10 days without measurable rain, at least up at the Evansville Regional Airport. May go a few more, but it looks like our rain chances should really begin to jump by the middle part of next week. Other than that, it's pretty nice weather for August. Highs today were in the mid to upper 80s, including 87 in Evansville, 86 Henderson, and 84 in Owensboro. We're going to be in the same ballpark again tomorrow with some humidity, and then the humidity falls off on Sunday behind this next cold front, which is still sparking a few spotty showers and thunder showers just to the northwest of the tri-state. These are trying to move on in, but they're kind of drying up in the process. But a few could hold together, so a shower here and there, not out of the question overnight. But the better chances now appear to be shaping up across western Kentucky tomorrow afternoon. Really not the part of the tri-state that needs the rain. The driest so far has been up here in southwestern Indiana, at least for the past week and a half. But you can see here on the 1 hour time lapse, a few showers are holding together, still firing in the St. Louis area and pushing off to the east-southeast. But in the last 24 hours, that rain, there was a little scattered light rain in our southern counties this morning, but generally less than 1/10 of an inch. Live view from our Thule Injury Law Skycam, looking down on the Evansville riverfront on a pretty comfortable Friday evening. Certainly by August standards, we're already down to 74. Dew point is up a bit at 68, but that's just in the muggy range, and there's very little wind out there. And most of the area, about 70 to 75. We're going to wind up roughly between 65 and 70, right on the average for this time of the year by daybreak tomorrow morning. Well, this front's a weak front, and it's going to settle slowly southeastward here over the next 24 hours. So by this time tomorrow night, Joe will be tracking the last of those showers pushing off to the south, and behind it, less humid air will move on in, and it will be drier air. You can see a lot of clear skies up there just behind that front. But we're picking up a few clouds from what's left of those thunder showers to the north, so a partly cloudy sky overnight. And the latest Future Tracker run does keep a few spotty showers going through the overnight hours, but the main theme here with this latest run is to increase the rain chances a little bit across the southern half of the tri-state, mainly tomorrow afternoon. It's still quiet at the noon hour. It's going to feel a lot like today, mix of sun and clouds, mid to upper 80s with humidity. But there are the scattered thunder showers developing mainly south of the river by about 3 or 4 p.m. We all have a chance, but it looks like the better chances will be down to the south. And they quickly push away to the south by sunset tomorrow night, and then skies clear on out. We'll be back into the upper 60s by daybreak on Sunday, which will be a brighter day. Partly cloudy skies. Less humid, though. We should get into the tolerable range with highs in the mid to upper 80s once again. Mainly clear Sunday night. We got another nice day for Monday with partly cloudy skies. Humidity will build back in, but it'll be dry with highs in the mid to upper 80s on Monday afternoon. So overnight, maybe a spotty shower, otherwise partly cloudy. Will be in the upper 60s. Tomorrow, a mix of sun and clouds. Feel a lot like today, humid with some spotty showers and thunder showers developing, especially south in the afternoon where chances will be a little higher, mid to upper 80s. Humidity off the board for one day, 87 Sunday, and we keep temperatures right on the average, both the highs and lows through most of next week. But more importantly, the rain chances begin to pick up late Tuesday, and we'll make Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday weather-aware days for at least a decent chance of some rounds of significant scattered showers and thunder showers. And make a point to head out tomorrow night and especially Sunday night as the annual Perseid meteor shower will be peaking. We already have reports of some meteors tonight, but the peak will likely be on Sunday night. The weather looks like it's going to cooperate, and all you want to do is get away from city lights, find a comfortable spot to sit down and actually lay back and just look directly above, and prime time will be midnight to dawn, both tomorrow and especially Sunday night.
All right. Thank you, Wayne.
Sounds great.